Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Nick with Team Spire. Of course, this year, I think this is the third year we've participated in the Cobble River Fish Fry, and it's a wonderful event. This is the second year I've done it, so I'm going to do a little commentary for you. This is Fred. This is our master chef. He's the one that basically thawing the fish out. Of course, we did catfish. He's thawing it out. He's cleaning it up. Of course, we decided to cut it in half. As you can see, he does pretty good care. Does an excellent job.
Ain't nothing like little strips.
As I said, there's nothing like little strips. That's right. Of course, this is him. This is Fred preparing it. A little cornmeal, a little flour. Of course, I kind of asked him exactly what his ingredients were and everything. Of course, a master chef does not need cups or half cups or quarters or teaspoons. He just knows. There's really no set amount. He just does a smorgasbord until he got the good feel of it. Of course, this is his ingredients he used. And like I said, a master chef, they don't use cups or half cups or teaspoons. He just knows. He basically just puts them all in there and mixes it up, and that's what you get. And that looks pretty good to me. Of course, this is Fred. He's outside. He's putting it in the skillet. Of course, we use a cast iron. Being from the South, there's nothing better than your grandparents using the cast iron. I remember mine would always cook in her cast iron stove or pot or skillet, and it just brings out that taste to it. Just an awesome taste. If you don't use a cast iron to cook at the house, my suggestion is start using a cast iron to cook at the house. Of course, there's Curtis. He's one of our helpers, or one of my teammates. And as you can tell, all my guys are a little bit of camera shy, so that's why I made sure I filmed every one of them.
I'll be right back. Oh, I ain't know you were saying that. Look real well.
There he is. Old Fred getting it ready.
You gonna give me a secret recipe? Yellow meal, cornmeal. Yellow meal, white meal. Cajun. Seafood. That's about all.
If somehow my phone recorded sideways, I'm going to say I did this on purpose to get your attention.
Yeah.
It got your attention. Of course, that sizzling means it's going to turn out pretty awesome with that cast iron. There's Shay. She's doing our green beans. Did some green beans and put some turkey in it. Something a little bit different. Of course, we cook at our downtown area, downtown Birmingham. You see a lot of renovation going on. There it is, just popping. You know when it's popping like that, it's going to be good. Got that little bit of soul music in the background, if you can hear that. Got it going. Just having a good old time. Just a bunch of us. Of course, there's downtown Birmingham. This is pretty close to Regions baseball field, right across from Railroad Park. There's so much renovation, so much growth going on in Birmingham. It's a pretty awesome site. Of course, there's our finished project. There's the catfish. Coconut cream cake, which is my personal favorite because I make that. And green beans with a little bit of turkey in it. Gives it that extra taste to it. Of course, our old Curtis and our Shay. Like I said, I got a lot of my guys that's a little bit of camera shy. That's why I'm doing the talking. So that's all right. Of course, there's Shay getting ready to serve. We invited a few people over. Of course, ours is coleslaw, green beans, a little bit of turkey, coconut cream, and catfish. Pretty awesome.
Hey, we can delete this for a price.
Of course, as you can tell, I did not delete it.
That's right.
And that's our 3 judges. Of course, they all gave it a 10 out of 10. And that's Fred. He's enjoying his meal after a hard day's work. And of course, at Spire, we really do appreciate everything the Cobble River Society does for us. And I actually put a few pictures in at the end. About anywhere from a half a dozen of us to a dozen of us each year go twice a year. And we basically camp out down the river. Awesome trip. I love this weekend when we decide to do it. Of course, we got a couple rules, is, you know, leave everything like we found it. And unfortunately, no fish was harmed, because we are horrible fishermen, apparently. So that's it. And like I said, to all y'all out there, I really appreciate it. Spire appreciates it. And we hope y'all have a good weekend or a good week and enjoy the video. Thanks.